Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and made knitting variety, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern. Very nice. Beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection. Some are simple and some are beautiful button up style. Beautiful sleeve design, neck design. Some are with hooded pattern. Different ideas. Different variety, flared style. Bow tie style. So please you must watch my video till the end, and you can ask me in the comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. Most demanding crochet pattern, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dog sweater. Okay viewers, see you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Have a nice day.